Hey guys, what's up? It's Saad Anand and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of gold mining. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gold mining? That sounds like something my grandpa's into. But trust me on this one, this is a $125 billion market we're talking about. And it's only getting bigger. We're going to be looking at the heavy hitters, the companies pulling millions, sometimes billions of dollars of gold out of the ground every single year. We'll break down who they are, where they operate, and most importantly, what makes them a potential investment opportunity. So if you're looking to learn more about the gold mining industry, or maybe you're just curious about where your jewelry comes from, this video is for you. Let's dig in. First up, we've got the biggest of the big dogs in the gold mining world, Newmont Corporation. These guys are headquartered in the US of A, but their reach is absolutely global. We're talking operations in North and South America, Africa, Australia. They're everywhere. And when I say they're big, I mean it. Last year alone, Newmont pulled out over 5.9 million ounces of gold. Now, what makes Newmont interesting isn't just their size, it's their focus on running a tight ship. They're all about efficiency, squeezing every ounce of gold out of their mines while keeping costs low. Plus, they've got a pretty solid track record of paying dividends, which is always music to an investor's ears. Next, let's hop on over to Canada, the land of maple syrup and apparently massive gold reserves. We're talking about Barrick Gold, another absolute titan in the industry. These guys are neck and neck with Newmont in terms of size, and they've got a reputation for tackling some of the most challenging mining projects on the planet. Think about it, digging a giant hole in the ground is hard enough. Now imagine doing it in the middle of a desert or up in the freezing Arctic. That's the kind of stuff Barrick takes on, and they manage to do it while maintaining a strong focus on social responsibility, which is becoming increasingly important in the mining industry. Now we're heading down south to the continent with more gold than you can shake a stick at, Africa. And when it comes to African gold mining, AngloGold Ashanti is the name to know. With deep roots in South Africa, these guys have been digging up gold since the early 1900s. But AngloGold isn't just about history. They're constantly looking for new and innovative ways to extract gold, all while maintaining a strong commitment to sustainable development. They understand that mining can have a big impact on the environment and communities, so they're working to minimize their footprint and leave a positive legacy. Let's head down under to Australia, home to kangaroos, koalas, and you guessed it, more gold. Newcrest Mining is a company that truly embodies the Aussie spirit of innovation. They're not afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible in mining, and they're constantly coming up with new technologies and techniques to improve efficiency and reduce their environmental impact. Now, one thing that makes Newcrest stand out is their focus on automation. They're using robots and other cutting-edge tech to make their operations safer, more efficient, and frankly, pretty darn cool. I mean, who doesn't love a good mining robot? Back to Canada now, but this time we're focusing on a company that's all about doing things right. Kinross Gold is known for its operational excellence, which basically means they're really, really good at running their mines. They're all about maximizing efficiency, minimizing downtime, and squeezing every last ounce of gold out of their operations. But it's not just about the numbers with Kinross. They also have a strong commitment to responsible mining, which means they're focused on minimizing their environmental impact, working with local communities, and making sure their employees are safe and well taken care of. Let's jump back to South Africa for a look at Gold Fields, a company that's been around for over a century. Now, one thing that sets Gold Fields apart is their approach to sustainability. They're not just focused on minimizing their negative impacts. They're actively looking for ways to create positive change in the communities where they operate. This means investing in education, healthcare, and economic development projects that benefit everyone. Not just the company, it's a win-win situation. Gold Fields gets to operate in a stable and prosperous environment, and the local communities benefit from their presence. For this one, we're heading down to South America, a continent known for its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and of course, its abundance of natural resources. Yamana Gold is a company that's making a big name for itself in the region, with operations in some of the most promising gold-producing countries. What's exciting about Yamana is their commitment to growth. They're not content with just maintaining their current level of production. They're constantly looking for new opportunities to expand their operations and increase their output. And they're doing it all while maintaining a laser focus on efficiency and cost control. Back to Canada now, but this time we're going north, way north. Agnico Eagle Mines is a company that's not afraid to brave the cold, with operations in some of the most remote and challenging environments on Earth. But those challenges come with rewards. The Arctic regions where Agnico operates are known for their high-quality gold deposits, which means more gold for every ounce of rock they dig up. And Agnico isn't just about braving the elements, they're also known for their strong track record of operational performance. They've consistently delivered strong production numbers, and they're committed to maintaining a safe and sustainable operation. Our next stop takes us to SSR Mining, a company that understands that responsible mining isn't just good for the planet, it's good for business. They've got a multi-pronged approach to sustainability, focusing on environmental protection, social responsibility, and good governance. What does that mean in practice? It means minimizing their environmental footprint, engaging with local communities, and maintaining the highest ethical standards in everything they do. It's about proving that you can be a profitable mining company while also being a good neighbor and a responsible steward of the environment. Next up, we're looking at Eldorado Gold, a company that's not afraid to take risks. They've got operations in some of the more, shall we say, interesting parts of the world, like Turkey and Greece. These regions come with their own unique set of challenges, from political instability to complex permitting processes. But Eldorado has proven that they can navigate these risks and operate successfully in challenging environments. They've got a strong track record of working with local communities and governments to build strong relationships and ensure that their operations are beneficial for everyone involved. Now let's talk about a company that's been in the mining game for a long time. Hecla Mining has been around since 1891. That's over 130 years of digging up precious metals. And while they're primarily known for their silver production, they've also got a significant gold mining operation. What's impressive about Hecla is their longevity. They've weathered economic storms, commodity cycles, and everything in between. Back to Australia we go, this time to check out Northern Star Resources, a company that's been making waves in the gold mining industry. These guys are relatively new to the scene, but they've quickly established themselves as a major player thanks to their aggressive growth strategy and their focus on acquiring high-quality assets. Northern Star is all about expansion. They're constantly on the lookout for new opportunities to acquire mines and increase their production. And they're not just interested in any mine, they're focused on acquiring assets with high grades and long mine lives, which means they'll be producing gold for many years to come. For our final stop, we're taking a slightly different approach to gold investing. Franco-Nevada isn't a traditional mining company, they're a royalty and streaming company. What does that mean? Instead of digging up the gold themselves, they provide financing to mining companies in exchange for a percentage of their future production. It's like being a silent partner in a gold mine. Franco-Nevada gets to benefit from the upside of gold production without having to deal with the day-to-day headaches of running a mining operation. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the gold mining industry and some of the biggest players in the game. We've covered a lot of ground today, from massive multinational corporations to smaller, more specialized companies. Remember, this is just a starting point. There's a whole lot more to learn about the gold mining industry, and each of these companies has its own unique story to tell. So, if you're interested in learning more, do your own research, dig a little deeper, and see if investing in gold is right for you. As always, I'm just sharing my thoughts and opinions. This isn't financial advice, and I'm not telling you to buy or sell any of these stocks, but hopefully this video has given you a better understanding of the gold mining industry and some of the companies that are leading the charge. Thanks for watching.